Today I'm going to show you 2 different ways to tie off your book. You'll need both halves of your book and 2 needles. Keeping the rest of the threads out of your way will make a big difference. Place your needles on the first top and bottom threads. Take the first needle and count up past the first signature, count 3 signatures up, and link behind the threads from the inside to out and pull the thread. Just like that. Should be 3 signatures up. Then take the bottom thread and count out past the first signature, count 3 signatures down, and loop behind that thread from the inside to the out. Not including that first signature, should be counting 3 signatures down. Pull that thread out. That's what it should look like when both are pulled out. We're back to the first thread again. We'll take that first thread again to the inside of the bottom half of the book and count 3 signatures down, including that first signature. So go 1, 2, 3, and then loop from the inside to the outside and pull the thread. It's making an X. Then we're going to take the bottom thread and repeat the same thing and count 3 signatures into the top half of your book. Go from the inside out, loop the thread on that third signature, and pull it all the way through. We're making the other part of the X. Back to working with the bottom thread again. You're going to count 2 signatures up into that top half, link around from the inside to the outside, and pull the needle through. Repeat the same thing with the top thread. We're going to count 2 signatures down, go from the inside out, push the needle behind those threads, and pull the needle through. We're making an additional layer of our X. And that's what it should look like. Next, we'll be going back to the inside of the book and that very first signature. So take the top thread, open up that top half of the book to the first signature, and place your needle through the hole. That's what it should look like. We're going back into that first signature. It's going to feel very loose this first time. Pull your thread through, and repeat the same step for the bottom thread. And you'll be opening up the bottom half of the book to that first signature of that half. Take that bottom thread and stick it in the hole of the first signature. Pull the thread through, and that's what it should look like. We'll be working with the next 2 top and bottom threads. Take your needles, place them on those threads. Take your first thread, count 3 signatures up, go from the inside to the out, and pull your needle through. Don't include that first signature when you're counting. Repeat the same thing from the bottom thread. So you'll take the bottom thread, you'll count 3 signatures down, push your needle through, and pull it all the way. And that's what it should look like. Go back to the top thread, count 3 signatures down into that lower half, loop your thread from the inside to the out and pull it through. Then take the bottom thread, go to the top half of the book, count 3 signatures up, go from the inside out, loop the threads, and pull your needle all the way through. That's what it should look like. Back to the top thread again. We're counting 2 signatures down to the bottom half of the book, loop from the inside out, and pull the thread. Take the bottom thread, go up to the top half of the book, go up 2 signatures, loop behind, and pull the thread. That's what it should look like. Next, take the top thread, go back in the first signature of that half, back to the inside, just like that, and pull the thread. Repeat the same thing for the lower thread. Go back into that first signature of that bottom half, push the needle through, and pull it. Repeat the step for the rest of the threads. Then go ahead and tie them off. Any kind of knot you want is fine. And repeat that same step for the other side. And you're done. You can leave the threads or cut them off. But what if you want a different color X? Because I have 6 paired stations, I need 6 threads. You can use whatever color threads you want. I wax the thread just as before. The first thing we have to do is go back and undo the last of the threads coming out of the book. And then we need to tie them off. I like to use square knots, but any knot you want is fine. Cut those threads, not too close. Repeat for the other side. Pull out the threads to the inside of the book, tie them off, and then cut off the excess thread. That's what it should look like. We'll take our new thread and we'll rethread the book, just as if it never was a separate thread. I'm going back into each hole and pulling out my thread. It should look identical to the way the book originally did, except it's just a different color. And that's what it should look like. And now we're ready to sew. Everything from here on out is identical to the first time we sewed it with the same color thread. So you'll have your 2 needles, you'll place them on the top and bottom thread. You'll take the top thread, count 3 signatures up, loop behind the threads, and pull it all the way through. Take the bottom thread, count 3 signatures down, place it behind the threads, and pull it all the way through. Then take the top thread, go back down, count 3 signatures down, place it behind the threads, and pull it all the way through. Take the bottom thread, you're going to the top half of the book, count 3 signatures up, go behind those threads from the inside out, and pull it all the way through. You've made your first part of the X. Take the top thread, count down 2 signatures in the bottom half of the book, go from the inside out, and pull the thread all the way through. Take the bottom thread, go up to the top half of the book, count 2 signatures up, and pull the thread all the way through. Take the top thread, we're going into the top half of the book on that very first signature, go through the hole, and pull the thread all the way through. Take the bottom thread, open up the bottom half of the book to that first signature, take your thread, go through the hole in that first signature, and pull it all the way through. And that's what it should look like. Next, we're going to the second pair of top and bottom threads. Start with the top thread. We'll count 3 signatures up, loop behind the threads, and pull it all the way through. Repeat the step with the bottom thread, count 3 signatures down, loop behind the threads, and pull it all the way through. Take the top thread again, going down to the bottom half of the book, count down 3 signatures, loop the threads, and pull it all the way through. Take the bottom thread, count up 3 signatures into the top half of the book, loop the threads, and pull it all the way through. That's what it should look like. Take the top thread, go down to the second half of the book, count down 2 signatures, loop the threads, and pull it all the way through. Take the bottom thread, go up to the top part of the book, count up 2 signatures, loop the threads, and pull them all the way through. Once again, we're going to the top half of the book, opening up the book to that first signature of the half, taking that top thread, pushing it through the hole, and pulling it all the way through to the inside. Repeat the same step for the bottom thread. Go into that first signature on the bottom half of the book, push the needle through, pull it all the way in on the inside, and that's what it should look like. Repeat the same step for every other pair of threads. And then when you're done, tie them off with whatever knot you like. Repeat for both halves. You can cut the threads if you need to, but I like to leave them as a tail. And the lovely thing about this book is that it still opens completely flat, just like a Coptic stitch. With the exception, you're going 3 down and sewing 2 halves. So there's really no benefit for it, I found, other than just for looks. But it was a nice challenge, and I hope you enjoyed it.